Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make buffalo chicken dip, easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and mix shredded chicken, cream cheese, hot sauce, ranch, and cheddar until smooth. Spoon into a baking dish and top with extra cheese. Bake until bubbly and golden, about 20 minutes. Let rest 5 minutes before serving to thicken. Serve with celery, crackers, or chips and garnish with sliced green onions. Gather everything before you start to make the process easy and stress-free. Shred cooked chicken finely so it mixes evenly into the dip. Soften cream cheese at room temperature to avoid lumps and use your favorite hot sauce to control spice. Mix ingredients thoroughly until creamy, then transfer to a baking dish. Add extra cheese on top for a golden crust and bake until bubbly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading cookbooks in the kitchen without worrying about splattered batter, and it fits neatly on a counter. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. Layering flavors matters, so season as you go and taste where possible. Mix the chicken and sauce first, then fold in softened cream cheese for a smooth base. Stir in half the cheese, bake, then add remaining cheese for a melty top. Keep a jar of extra hot sauce nearby for guests. Let the dip rest a few minutes after baking so it firms up for cleaner scoops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.